Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So hey there, if you are watching me for the very first time, I'm Atrey. I make lifestyle, fashion and makeup videos. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell notification so as to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's just get started with the video right away. Guys, I'm so thankful to you guys that I started this channel exactly 1 month ago and I am 100 plus subscribers. Like our family is 100 plus subscribers. So yeah, that's a great thing. Like I am really amazed. I really thank each one of you who have subscribed to my channel and always supporting me through their comments and so that I can improve on my content and my lighting and what not. So I am really thankful to you guys. It's due to you that my videos have improved and also my channel has grown a lot in the span of 1 month. I mean, I just can't believe it. And also guys, thank you so much that you all have given our Sarojini Nagar haul video, it crossed 1K views. I mean, it's so overwhelming. I'm so happy and so pumped up that I want to make so many new videos and good videos so that I can cater to you guys. And yeah, it's amazing. So yeah, let's get started. I want to tell you about a website from where you can order the local brand like ADS or Kiss Beauty or Music Flower or Mars for that matter. So you can order those things. And also guys, the website name is Good Choice India. So I found out about this website by looking at one of my fellow YouTuber, and she has done a nice video, and from there I got to know about this website because if you take ADS or Kiss Beauty local brands from Amazon or Flipkart or any other local beauty store, you will still get it at a higher price. But if you are gonna order from that website, I'm sure you are gonna get it at much lower price. Okay, but the only downside is that I ordered 8 items and I paid full amount, but I didn't receive 8 items. I just received 7 of them. So it's really put me off. And I called the guy, customer care guy, but he told me that please write an email to us. So I emailed them as well, but it has been 2 days and I have not got any kind of confirmation or any apology mail or anything. So yeah, for that you have to be a little careful. So what you can do, you can call that guy beforehand before ordering and tell them that please place my order. And yeah guys, always do COD of little amount. But you know what, I received these 6 items, so I am quite happy about it because the items are really good and really at a very affordable price. These products are affordable, and I am getting it at much lesser price than their own affordable price. So yeah, it's a steal in that amount. So let's just get started with what I received and yeah, what all contents I have got. So guys, this is the packaging. This is the pack in which I received everything. So yeah, the packet is really nice, sturdy, and all the items were nicely packed, bubble wrapped. So I really like that. So guys, the very first thing which I ordered from them is their Kiss Beauty, palette, blusher palette. Yeah, that's how it looks. I have seen this thing on internet like crazy. I mean, every other YouTuber is using it who are doing an affordable makeup haul. So this is what the inner packaging looks like. Guys, it's beautiful. You can see there are 5 shades. And to my surprise, there is a mirror as well. So yeah, and the mirror is really good quality. You can see it for yourself. Yeah, and these shades are really nice, really pigmented. Don't even get me on their pigmentation. I mean, I just love their pigmentation. There is one small brush as well if you want to carry it somewhere. So let me just quickly swatch these on my fingers so that you can see. So guys, these are the pigmentation. You can see. I have just touched my finger. I'm so sorry. It's very awkward, but yeah, you can see them. I mean, yes guys, the pigmentation is awesome and I really love this palette, and this is just for 99 rupees. Can you believe that? I mean, you just need this palette and you are sorted in life. So guys, the next thing which I got is this MN liquid foundation, long lasting and blah blah things, and it has SPF50 and vitamin E, which is really still at this price. I've got this for 99 bucks as well. So guys, the inner packaging looks like this. It's a pretty beige color inner packaging, and it looks very fancy at this price. But the only thing is that the color is very lighter than my skin tone, so I have to mix some foundation or some bronzing powder in this to make work into my skin. But if you are lighter than my skin tone, so this will work perfectly for you. So yeah, that's that. And guys, the next thing is absolute my favorite, because this is the Music Flower Drama Gel Eyeliner, and yeah, you can see there are 2 gel eyeliners inside it. And the eyeliners, like I have used it, the black one gel liner, you can see the pigmentation for yourself. So guys, there are 2 boxes, one brown and one black, and there are these 2 brushes as well, so that you can apply filling to your brows. But the one thing is that if you are gonna fill your brows with the product, what I did a mistake. Like, these products are hell pigmented, so just dip your brow and drag out the excess and then apply to your brows for a nice finish. So yeah, that's my advice to you guys. So the next thing which I have got is this pack of AGS nail paints, and there are 4 nail paints in it, but I only have 3 of them now because I have given one to my mom, and that's in a maroon color. So those are that. And guys, look at the packaging. It's an exact copy of LA18. So like LA18, it's itself is a very affordable brand, and then I'm getting these. So I got 4 of them in 71 bucks. So if we talk about the next item which I got are these cute Chotu Se lipsticks, and they are so cute. I mean, and guys, they are pigmented as well. Let me just show you. You guys, you know what I wasn't expecting such kind of pigmentation from these lipsticks, but to my surprise, these are pigmented. So guys, these are very small, as you can see, but perfect if you are going for. See guys, I'm not even kidding you. Look at this. Can you see them? Let me swatch one more color for you. This is my favorite out of all. This brown, this orange one, and yeah, let me just show you. Guys, isn't this amazing? I mean, I am totally in love with these products. So yeah, I think one more thing is left, and this is also my absolute favorite, guys. I was looking for some kind of mirror, and so guys, I also ordered this mirror. I mean, this is really cute. Let me just show you. I'm so excited to show you this. Look at this, guys, and if you do see, the doll closes its eyes. This is so good, and the quality is also good. I mean, you can see. Look at this. Isn't it? So yeah, I needed this to shoot my videos, and this worked really nice. I'm so happy with this. So yeah guys, the total amount was 680, and there was one liner as well, but I didn't receive it. So, but still in 680 rupees also, I have got so many things. I'm really happy about it. So yeah, you can order from them, but you have to call that guy and tell them that I want to receive the order completely, and if I am making payment, so yeah, please cater to my needs. So you need to tell them. But yeah, you can order from them. As you can see, the products are really cheap and really affordable. So yeah, I will give these products a thumbs up, but the website, you need to get your work done right. So yeah guys, with this I finish off my video, and thank you again for loving me so much and giving out your care, and I will be also doing a giveaway soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So I will see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye bye. I love you guys.